So here's my bird feeding station. I have a wall out there and I put bird seed on it. And then up here, I have another bird feeder. I put food in there for bluebirds. And I got a hanging, that thing. But there's my primary spot. I was inspired by Larry Satchwell. He has a lot of bird activity, but he's out there. I'm in a neighborhood where I don't have, I think I have a lot of competition in my neighborhood. I think everybody feeds birds out here. But I put a GoPro camera out there and just kind of filmed the birds as they came in to eat, and the squirrels. And they did. I just don't have a lot, but that's okay. I'll keep working on it, and eventually I'll get a bunch more. But I'll leave a link to Larry Satchwell's channel, and you can see how he handles it. He got a lot more birds than I do. I filmed the birds for about an hour. I got normal birds. I got blue jays and red cardinals and your standard run-of-the-mill birds.